Congress is considering raising corporate taxes if CEO pay is too high compared to workers. Let's break down the current policy outlined by the CEO Accountability and Responsibility Act. Here are the newts. Sponsored by Representative Mark DeSaulnier of California, this act seeks to amend the Internal Revenue Code to adjust the rate of income tax of a publicly traded corporation. Right now, publicly traded corporations are taxed at a fixed rate of 21%. This fixed tax rate does not apply to related mutual savings banks conducting insurance business, related insurance companies, or related regulated investment companies and real estate investment trusts. The act could cause this rate to increase. Specifically, the adjustment will be based on a calculated compensation ratio. This compensation ratio is the greater of either the compensation of the CEO or the highest paid employee, divided by the median compensation of all employees of the corporation. It's important to know what they mean by compensation. For regular employees, it means wages. For the CEO or top earner, it's total pay as reported to the SEC, salary, stock, bonuses, and more. This compensation ratio is then taken to determine the potential increase in that 21% tax rate. See on screen the ratio impacts. The policy also implements a special rule. If a corporation reduces its U.S.-based full-time employees by more than 10% from the previous year while also increasing the number of contracted employees or foreign full-time employees, the effective point increase in the tax rate is increased by 50%. Finally, the policy would implement new preference requirements for entities receiving public contracts from the federal government. If they are providing a bid or proposal for a good or service, companies with compensation ratios less than 50-to-1 will receive preference from heads of executive agencies. That's the CEO Accountability and Responsibility Act. It's early in the process, so stay tuned for updates. Follow Newt for clear, fact-based breakdowns of legislation.